Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason. Today we're making a drink so old school it probably pays for things an exact change. The rusty nail. It's literally 2 ingredients, 1 garnish, and a whole lot of what have I done with my life in a glass. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. First, Craigellachie 13, a scotch that smells like a forest in a library, had a beautiful smoky baby. Our second ingredient, Drambuie. It's Scotch's sweet-talking cousin who wears too much cologne but still gets invited to family dinners. And then we're going to finish it off with a lemon twist, because apparently we're fancy now. All right, let's get into the build. First, grab a mixing glass, or any glass big enough to hold your regrets in ice. Then, we're gonna add the scotch. We need to add 2 ounces. Now, this Craigellachie is 13 years old, so basically it's just entering its emo phase. Now we're going to add 1 ounce of Drambuie. It sounds like a cartoon villain, but tastes like a spiced dream wrapped in honey and secrets. Now add some ice and stir it gently, like you're apologizing to someone who definitely deserved to be yelled at. About 30 seconds. Now pour it over 1 big glorious sphere of ice. The kind of ice that says, I own a whiskey decanter and a deep backlog of unread books. Finish with a lemon twist because nothing says refined like citrus zest and unresolved emotions. And there you have it, the rusty nail. This is about as simple as good cocktails get. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. Smooth, sweet, scotch forward. It's like getting a warm hug from a flannel-wearing lumberjack who also teaches poetry on the weekends. If you like your drink strong, your recipe's simple, and your nail's metaphorical, the rusty nail is your new best friend. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cocktails that make you feel like you own a leather armchair and unresolved emotional issues. And remember, if it's rusty, don't drink it unless it comes in a rocks glass. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.